Who do the Jets play this week? They play Green Bay. And what do they eat out in Green Bay? Cheese curds. And we're turning them into this. Yep, we're turning this into this. I can't believe it. Every day cooking, Dad cooking every day. All right, these are our ingredients. We got our cheese curds, Ritz crackers, 2 eggs scrambled, and look what I found. Sriracha panko crumbs. And then we got regular panko crumbs, and then we got our seasoned flour. I'll put the recipe for the seasoned flour in the bottom in the description. So the Jets won last week. Let's get to this right away. The Jets won last week. They beat Miami. I know they're down to their 3rd string quarterback, but they wasn't down to their 3rd string defense. Put 40 on them. I ain't saying no more about that. All right, so now on to our meal that we're cooking today, or our appetizer that we're cooking today. When I was doing my research, we're going in with 1 Ritz cracker. When I was doing my research, 2 things I came up with: cheese curds and a butter burger. They have a restaurant out there that puts butter as like mayonnaise on a burger. That was intriguing to me. Then I said, nah, you know what? Broaden up your taste buds and see what cheese curds taste like. So we went with the appetizer of air fried cheese curds. I tried it. I suggest you guys try it. I'll let you know at the end of the video what it tastes like. But here we're going in with our sriracha panko crumbs. Once I saw that, I had to buy it. You know, imagine doing some shrimp with that. Oh, yeah. And I got these cheese curds from Target. Now we're in New Jersey, New York, New Jersey. Cheese curds are not just something you find in the supermarket. Why Target had them, I don't know, but Target had the cheese curds. So if you're on the East Coast, I'm pretty sure you turn your nose up to cheese curds. Just even thought of saying it is not the most appetizing thing. But we're giving this a try. So we got our seasoned flour. It's the same flour we use for our fried chicken. I make it up in batches, so this way when it comes time to cook something, I have my flour ready to go. So, you know, the idea is you cover whatever it is you're frying in flour, you dip it in the egg, and then the egg goes into the panko crumbs. So if you were doing chicken nuggets, you know, flour, eggs, panko crumbs, or cornflakes, or whatever breading you're going to use. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now. We're going to go into the flour. This helps the egg stick once again. Into the egg, get it all covered up. All right, this week the Jets play Green Bay. Now, I would normally say the Jets don't have a shot. They got Aaron Rodgers and we don't. But I don't know, their wide receiver core looks a little suspect. You might be catching them. We might be catching them at their weakest. We seem to be catching everybody at their weakest. So if we're going to play them, I'll take them right now. So we're going to let these cheese curds, you know, set up for a little while. About 10 minutes. So after we dredge them in the flour, put them in the egg, put them in the panko crumb, we're going to set them on the side and let it set up a little bit, you know, form, I guess, a little bit more of a crust. You know, I decided to go in here a little bit more sriracha panko crumbs. I didn't put enough. And I probably should have squeezed another Ritz cracker in there, but it's okay. It'll work out. That Ritz cracker is going to add a little bit of a buttery flavor. It's not going to taste like Ritz cracker at all. not in the least. All right, so that's our sriracha. Now we're going with the regular plain Branco crumbs. This time we went with 2 Ritz crackers. Give that a little quick smash. Now, if you don't like spicy, I guess go with this version. All right, again, in the flour, in the egg, in the panko crumbs. Same thing with chicken nuggets. You know, I guess that's next, guys. In a couple of more videos, I'll do the chicken nuggets. Then the egg. Then the panko crumbs. And we're using the, dry hand, wet hand method. So I'm only using one hand that's getting wet. So if you need to grab something, you got one clean hand. All right, get these all nice and covered up. And then we let these sit for about 5-10 minutes. All right, so we got our air fryer. Now we're gonna cook these at 375. You don't need to go any more than 3, 4, 5 minutes. I went a little too far, so they kind of melted on me. So just go ahead. We're gonna get these in the air fryer. We preheated the air fryer. Obviously you don't want the, cheese curds sitting on top of each other. So we just lay them flat. And did our plain. Now guys, these actually cooked a little faster than I expected. So 3 minutes is probably good. And I forgot to hit record when I took them out of the air fryer. So we're gonna do a quick quantum leap and go to this. Look at them, guys. These are delicious. These came out great. They taste just like mozzarella sticks. I was shocked. I couldn't, these are great. Wisconsin, the jig is up. The word is out. Cheese curds are good. All right, I'm gonna give these a taste. And this is when I first discovered that I like it, because I'm like, okay, I don't know what this is. And then when I did that, I said, hey guys, come here quick. You gotta try this. They didn't want to do it. So they tried it. And guess what happened? They came back for more. Yeah. And then guess what? This happened. These were great, guys. You gotta try them. Every day, cooking every day.